Hey, welcome back to Cool Kids Art, and let's draw another Roblox Bakon character. This time it's the very cool looking Eerie. So here's my full pencil sketch shown in 2 speed, and then right after this I'll show you guys how to draw this line by line with a sharpie. Alright, so let's draw this, and here's my sketch underneath, and this one's got a really cool looking head. So we're going to begin by drawing just one big circle. Could be a little bit flatter. It's supposed to be like a pumpkin, so it would make sense if it's a little bit flatter. Alright, and then from here we're going to draw in the nose. So right in the middle of this, let's draw one line, slant down, and then nice and wide on the bottom, and just close that off. So right in the middle of the circle. Okay, and then from here we're going to draw in the eyes. So just come up here. Let's draw 2 lines like this first. And then now this one's going to slant up slightly. This one will come across. So we're just going to give it some variations. Come back down. Okay, so just flare out. And then here, we'll just slant inward and then just close that off. So again, it doesn't have to be symmetrical. Alright, so that's the top, and then now for the really cool looking mouth, I'm going to start right here, underneath the nose right here. Slant down, and then one little tooth right here. Come across. Same thing here. So that's going to be the corner of the mouth. Now on this side right here, we're going to draw the other tooth. Okay, so just draw a little angle like this. And then now whatever space you have here, just angle down and connect that. Come down, connect that. Okay, so that's the overall head shape, and then it's got the little stem on the top. Just draw a little angle, just give it some thickness. Okay, so that's the head, and then now for the body. So the body is kind of the same as the other Bakon characters. So I'm going to start right over here. This is going to be a shoulder. Slant in. This is going to be the armpit right here. And then we're going to pinch it in all the way down to his waist. And then we'll close that off. And let's go ahead and finish up the hip section. So we'll come down and then just come in toward the center and then close that off. Okay, so then now let's come back up here and finish up the arms. So again, they got those really big arms. So let's start right here. Here's the armpit, shoulder, nice and wide. And then now for the bicep, back to the armpit, curve, and then just one bracket here. So this is going to be the elbow. We'll flare out. And then on this side, we'll curve this way. And on this one, we'll just continue to curve. So we'll stop right here. This is going to be the wrist. Okay, we'll flare out. This one's straight down. And then again on the inside, curve. This one will just curve this side or this way. Okay, let's go ahead and draw in this hand first because this one's going to be holding the blade. Just one little hook for the thumb, just come down. Just add one little line like that for the inside of the palm. And then here's the back of the hand. And then now whatever space you have here, curve down, just round it up. And then to add one more finger on the back, just one little bump there. Alright, so on this side it's going to be the blade, so we're going to draw in the blade first before we draw in the hand. So just come down right here. Just one little curve like this. In the center here, one little line. And then right here, this is going to be the top of the blade. Curve out. On the bottom here, a little bit wider here, and then whatever space you have here, just round it out. So that's going to give us the shape of the blade. And then now to finish up the handle here, continue this down, and then we're going to draw the same curve of this just on the bottom and just connect to that. Okay, so that's going to be the blade, and then now we're going to draw in the fingers. So this part's easy. Just come down and then turn right into the handle. Okay, and then on the back right here, just one little curve. Again, it's going to be behind the sword. Alright, so those are the arms, and now let's finish up the legs, and the legs are really skinny. So here's the hip. Okay, we can draw in the thigh, just come down first. So we're right around here. Back to the inside. Same thing, just a little bit skinnier right here on the knee. Flare out. Curve this side. And then this one is almost straight down. And we'll just go ahead and close that off first. Okay, so same thing here, straight down. This one slant out, curve, down, and then close it off. Okay, and then now for the foot, on the inside here, just come straight down. And then on this side, we'll flare out. And then just close it off. Straight down, and then this one's gotta go out. Alright, and I think there's some detail right here, right in the middle. So right in the middle of this, we'll flare out like this. And then now we just kind of zigzag all the way up. Whatever you do on this side, just try to draw the same thing on the other side. And that is it for this nice and creepy Eerie. Hope you guys like the way it turned out, and if you do, please do give me a thumbs up. Subscribe if you haven't, and I will see you next time.